Guys, today I'm looking at this cool USB-C multifunction docking station by UGREEN, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the 12-in-1 USB-C multifunction docking station from UGREEN. Now guys, if you don't know UGREEN, well, let me tell you, they make a ton of tech products, including earbuds, docks, power adapters, cables, and you know what? Tons more. Now, I've had the pleasure of reviewing some of their products, and I'll leave a card up here if you're interested in them. Now guys, before we get into it, UGREEN sent me this 12-in-1 dock in exchange for my honest opinion. And you know guys, that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. Now, first off guys, you've got a USB-C cable, you've got a quick start guide, you have a mini CD with some drivers on it. Yeah, CD and drivers. How quaint, right? And you have the main user guide. Then guys, we get into the dock itself. Now looking around this, it feels solid. It's metal and plastic, and it has a little bit of weight to it. Now, I've got a similar dock from CalDigit, which is definitely a lot heavier and has more connectivity. I think it's like 16-in-1, but it also carries a slightly heavier price tag. Now guys, on the front, we've got an SD and micro SD card readers. We've got USB-C 10 gigabytes per second port, and we've got a USB-A 10 gigabits per second port. We've also got a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, flip it over and you've got two 5 gigabit USB-A ports. You've got a USB-C connector port to connect to your computer, a USB-C PD port delivering up to 100 watts of power, one 4K HDMI port, and one 8K HDMI port. You've also got a DisplayPort interface and a gigabit Ethernet port. Yeah, I guess people still need to have wired networks, right? And guys, on top, you've got a power switch. Now, given that this dock can power and charge your devices and can support a ton of connectivity at blistering speeds, including a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port, which are 2 times faster than standard USB 3.0, and powering 3 displays at once, although it does require an external power brick to make all of that happen. This is an absolute monster. And guys, you know, if you've got a MacBook, you know that ports are pretty scarce these days. So having something like this, the 12-in-1 USB-C dock from UGREEN, is a definite must-have. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. All in all, this is a nice device. It's solid and comes from a solid company. It's also pretty portable, which I know there are more portable solutions out there, but not with this amount of connectivity and power. But guys, with 104 megabits per second SD card transfer rate, the ability to power an 8K monitor at 30 Hz, together with a 4K monitor at 60 Hz, those mega fast USB-A 3.2 ports, and that 100 watt power output, this 12-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter is a very credible choice. Now guys, price wise, this bad boy is around £290 compared to my CalDigit, which has 16 ports, costs £300. Both of these are great pieces of kit, and if you've got a Mac and you use it as a desktop, both of these are worthy investments. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them in the comment section below. I'll leave any product descriptions and discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to UGREEN for sending me this rather nice and very capable 12-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter to review. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.